guys, I'm Megan with the Elyria Library, and today we're going to show you how to make a little spider decoration for the Halloween season. For this, you are going to need some craft sticks, some glue, some string, and a little spider ring, which you can find pretty much anywhere this time of year, but we are going to have little craft kits available at the Central Branch on Washington Avenue for this if you want to try it out afterwards. So you are going to take your 3 sticks and glue them into a star shape like so. You can also color them with marker or paint or whatever you've got, so forth. We're going to do that. When you've got your little star shape, you're going to take your string and you are going to tie it around the inside. You don't need a really complicated or hard knot. There's not going to be a lot of tension on it, so you can just do a simple square knot and trim it away afterwards if you need. And this is pretty simple. You're just going to go over and around and over and around. And you can adjust it and make it whatever length you want, and it's pretty easy to backtrack if you wind up messing up with it. Which makes it a great craft for little guys to work on their manual dexterity and their manipulation skills with string and other textiles. See, and you keep wrapping up and around and up and around and up and around. And when you get it to the length you want, you're just going to wrap it around a couple times for security and tie it off. Okay, and your little spider friend is just going to go on there wherever you'd like him to sit. Okay, and now you have a spider web ready to be hung. Okay, have a good day, guys.